Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila banlay yu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Kaskul ba ni hu hak dia kenti kan pelong ya ka jing penrung kam lani ka rozgar mela kaban sedang nadu ka kan riu terik hadu ka khat pratrik unailar ar hazar pulai ya ka ba an ple pat ba do menteri rang ba ka jella u konrad kongkal sangma uban salong kum ukong san hagani kasngi u vice chancellor jong ka skul ba ni hu professor PS Shukla hak jiyakran bakila pathai kubor lai thu baki artli ki company ki ba paunam ki bala tip kum ka sodak zo bat ka adeku kinsawan benishimenta hagani kasngi Karkung mujingat hu jong Vice Chancellor Shibenta nakikam. Kiba ansa pendrung kinlong, kibala mangkerpa na kabenta kibala depan pule, ya ka kerdan pule haka class 10, ka class 12, ka ITI, diploma bat haka graduation, hakinu ki kerdan pule.
That the Northeastern Hill University Shillong is all set up host a mega recruitment drive, commonly known as the Rozgar Mela from 16th to 18th August 2023. Honorable Chief Minister of the Meghalaya, Sri Konark K. Sangama, has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the inaugural ceremony. And the current estimate population in the Meghalaya is approximately 38.16 lakh. And a recent report published on July 19, 2023, the Niti Aayog names Meghalaya the poorest state after the Bihar. Around 80% of the population is dependent upon the agriculture and allied sector, and which contributes only 17% to the state GDP. So our state is facing job crisis where youths are not getting job, and this is very serious concern for the state of Meghalaya as well as Northeastern Hill University. Because this is one of the most important university of the Northeast, established in 1973, and we are already celebrating the golden jubilee year of the Northeastern Hill University. So after my joining, I have to think in this area also. Even can Northeastern Hill University do something under new education policy? And you might know about the Northeastern Hill University already taken a decision to implement the new education policy for the PG student, already implemented from the session of 2022-23, and for the UG student, we have already taken decision for the implement of new education policy from this academic session for the benefit of the youth of the Meghalaya. And I had taken a decision to start some employment platform, employment cell in the campus of the NEHU. So after appointment of technical consultant, he is rigorously doing the work to sign the MOU, make a relation with the private companies. And after that, today I am in position to say something about the employment of the youth of Meghalaya. And as you know, the unemployment has been seen to be one of the cause of the poverty, and the unemployment should not just rely on the government jobs only, but instead they need to think further ahead. They need to venture into the entrepreneurial fields to gain a sustainable income. They also need to explore the jobs available in the global world. And the NEHU, by this recruitment drive, Rozgar Mela, is trying to bridge the gap between the colleges, NEHU campus, and also between the college and the society. And with this way, This is my projection. It may be I fail in the future, but I am trying my best. And the drive will have have more than 5,000 positions for a variety of domains, and I am happy to share that 2 of the global Fortune 500 listed companies, namely Sodexo and Adecco, are participating in this drive. Along with these 2 companies, we will be having couple of more companies during the drive. These positions are immediate requirement, and the candidates will be expected to join immediately. I am also happy to share that more than 1/3 of the positions are reserved for the female candidates, and to be exact, the number of is 2,000 plus, not 1 or 2 or 5 or 10, and 2,000 number is not a small number. Female candidates having 10th, 12th, ITI, diploma and the graduation in any discipline will be eligible. That's why I'm also going to involve the society people. Some we already, Meghalaya already have, Shillong already have some dropout student. So we are also even thinking about the dropout student of the Meghalaya, and this is also one of the most important objective of the new education policy. And the offered position will be for the pan-India location with an opportunity to go abroad also. And the eligibility, already I mentioned, they start from 10th, IIT, diploma, graduation, and the salaries offered by the companies is more than the minimum basis of the state. So I am just going to provide a platform. Rest of the thing is depend on the capability of the students. And NEHU in collaboration with Times Pro, EdTech vertical of the Times of India Group is ready to offer 300 systems, application and products SAP certification and training to the technical graduates for free of cost. And the primary prerequisite for this is the candidate should be the domicile of the Meghalaya. No other candidate in other things, other candidate can also participate, but in 300 position only for the Meghalaya student. And the candidate from the streams like IT, CSC, BCA, MCA, MBA, IT and e-commerce will be allowed to participate in the interview, especially for 300 position, and other positions the minimum requisite is already different. And the training will be given by the SAP certified trainers in physical moves. So once again I would like to even say that this is the first kind of drive which is going to be held on 16th August of this month, and after the Independence Day. And I hope with the help of the society, with the help of the affiliated colleges of the NEHU, with the help of the young generation of the Meghalaya, I will be in position to say that after 1 year कि NEHU's platform given opportunity to more than 5,000 young generation of the Meghalaya. Okay. And as per requirement of the even student and companies in future continuously, I will try to even convene the Rozgar Mela in the campus of the NEHU. This is not the first, this is the beginning. Maximum companies from outside. Dalmia is also coming. Dalmia is from the even Meghalaya. Even USTM already had selected more than 25 candidates from our campus. I mean last one day, yesterday, day after yesterday, he already conducted a drive. I am selected five candidates for the apprenticeship, and their requirement is 17 candidate more. Recruitment drive is open for all. Any candidate from any part of the country can participate, but first preference is given to the main campus of the NEHU, second the affiliated colleges of the NEHU, third the society of the nearby the society of the Meghalaya, and fourth open for all.